Car number 1, 1976 Buick Skylark two-door hardtop, $3,950, Kennewick, Washington. This cool classic 1976 Buick Skylark is a two-door hardtop with a V8 automatic engine, making it a great vintage ride. The seller mentions that this Skylark is quite similar to a Chevy Nova or Pontiac Apollo, but it's more rare since fewer were built. The motor runs well, although there's a power steering leak that occurs when the car sits idle. All original, the car is equipped with factory tilt steering and air conditioning, and it rides on stylish custom chrome Riddler wheels with good tires. The car comes with a clean title and keys, making it a solid option for anyone looking for a classic Buick in good condition. Located in Kennewick, Washington, it's priced at $3,950 or best offer. Car number 2, 1969 Ford F100, $4,500, Hillsboro, Oregon. This 1969 Ford F100 is a solid classic truck with an automatic transmission and a clean title. It's got 169,000 miles, and the seller has spent some time and money improving its performance. While most trucks of this age are rusted through, the worst rust on this one is by the battery tray, making it a solid option for restoration. The truck also comes with a cover, making it ready for storage or immediate work. Priced at $4,500 and located in Hillsboro, Oregon, this F100 could be a great project for a Ford enthusiast. Car number 3, 1975 Chevy Monza V8, $3,200, Valley Village, California. Here we have a fun little classic 1975 Chevy Monza with a V8 engine and automatic transmission. This car runs and drives and comes with a clean title. The front seats have been newly reupholstered and new floor carpet has been installed, giving it a fresh look inside. Smog exempt and ready for a new owner, this Monza also comes with all the original chrome and hubcaps. It's located in Valley Village, California, and priced at $3,200, making it an affordable and fun project. Car number 4, 1952 Ford Crestline Victoria, $3,500, Vancouver, Washington. This 1952 Ford Crestline Victoria is a rare find, completely rust-free and all original. The car is equipped with a factory automatic transmission and comes with a V8 flathead engine that's not currently installed but is included in the sale. The seller has also re-cored the factory radiator and added brand new wheels and tires. While the car has surface rust where the paint has been burned off, there are no rust holes or bubbles, making it an excellent candidate for a patina rat rod. Priced at $3,500 with a clean title, it's located in Vancouver, Washington. Car number 5, 1971 Ford Ranchero, $3,000, Tillamook, Oregon. This 1971 Ford Ranchero is equipped with a 351 Cleveland 2V engine and a C6 automatic transmission. Although the battery is dead, the car starts with a jump but requires brake work before it can be driven. It also has some rust holes in the floors that have been patched with sheet metal. The car comes with brand new tires and wheels purchased 3 years ago for $1,600 and have no miles on them. With almost $5,500 invested, the seller is asking for $3,000 and it's located in Tillamook, Oregon. A great project car with lots of potential. Car number 6, 1973 Ford Gran Torino, $5,000, Redding, California. This 1973 Ford Gran Torino comes with a 351 automatic engine and Ford's 9-inch rear axle. It's a complete car with a smog-exempt status, making it easier to restore. The seller notes that the car has no major rust and comes with a GT hood. It's been sitting in the seller's yard for 5 years and could potentially be started with some starter fluid and a battery. Priced at $5,000, the seller is open to cash offers or trades, including motorcycles or dirt bikes. Located in Redding, California, this Gran Torino is waiting for its next project owner. Car number 7, 1955 Cadillac, $2,998, Sacramento, California. Here's a well-preserved 1955 Cadillac priced at $2,998. The seller mentions that it runs well and is in good condition overall, with power windows that are all functioning. The white wall tires and upholstery are in good shape, while the body is described as being in excellent condition with no dents. However, the car could use a fresh coat of paint. With a clean title and up-to-date registration, this Cadillac is a classic that's ready for a new owner. Located in Sacramento, California. Car number 8, 1960 Chevrolet Belair 4-door, $20,200, Idaho. This 1960 Chevrolet Belair is a true barn find, all original, but hasn't run since 1982. The car has some rust in the rear quarters and floor, but from the doors forward, it's in relatively good condition with no visible rust through on the outside. The seller notes that the hubcaps may be in the trunk, but they can't get it open. Priced at $2,200, the car is located in New Meadows, Idaho, and is ready for a trailer ride to its next home. Car number 9, 1964 Ford Thunderbird hardtop, $1,995, Graham, Washington. This 1964 Ford Thunderbird project car is priced at $1,995 and is described as a complete barn find. The engine is free but has not been turned over, and the car does not currently run or drive. It's located at a small used car dealership in Graham, Washington, and is being sold as is. If you're looking for a project, this Thunderbird is ready for restoration. Car number 10, 1979 VW Bus Type 2, $4,700, Fairfield, Vacaville, California. This 1979 VW bus is a restoration project with a 2.0 air-cooled engine. It's been sitting since 2018 and comes with 3 flat tires. The chassis is in good shape with no damage or rust, but the body has some rust from being parked near the ocean. The engine is matching numbers and hasn't been started in years. Priced at $4,700 or best offer, this California VW bus is waiting for a new owner to bring it back to life. Located in Fairfield, Vacaville, California.